Hello, let's see how we can make gifts to clients in Say2B application. First of all, you need to find your client in Say2B. Tap on the main menu at the left top corner and choose Find Client. Using one of the options, find your client in the database. You can search by name, email, phone number, or, and I'm going to use this method now, you can scan the unique user ID code. Just click Scan User QR code and have the client show his code to you. The system then identifies the client. Tap on his profile to go to the customer info screen. You will see several buttons. Click this one, Make Gift. It will take you to the page of available gift templates. To start giving any gifts to customers, you first need to create or set up several templates. My client has just bought a course from my school, so I'm going to give 25 coins back on his account, which he can later use to pay for other orders. So just tap on this gift template and confirm by clicking Yes. Now it's done, and you can tap on gift lists to see how many gifts the client has. There it is, 25 coins.